Hello, today I'm going to provide you with a summary of the Guelph housing market stats for April of 2021. While it's still a hot seller's market out there, we're just starting to see signs that the market could be cooling down. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics. Median sales price was $710,900 in April of 2021, which is up by 31.6% relative to April of last year. Median days on market was 7 days, which is down by 7 days. The total number of sales was 308, which is up by 258.1%, and the total number of listings was 394, which is up by 131.8%. Median sales price is up considerably from April of 2020, but an interesting thing to note is that prices are actually down by about 1% since last month. It's also important to note that the sales and listings figures are skewed by what happened in April of 2020. That was the first full month of the pandemic, when real estate was essentially put on pause as a result of the first lockdown. I'm happy to see that new listings are actually outpacing sales. This is an important stat that may result in a more balanced market with less bidding wars on homes. We all know that the buyers could use a break out there and be awarded with a better chance of obtaining the home that they actually want. If you have any questions at all about the real estate market, or if you're thinking about buying or selling in the near future, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.